Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Widya Astuti dengan NIM 221111207 dari kelas 3B. Di sini saya akan membacakan hasil jurnal yang berjudul yaitu The Contribution of Student Linguistic Intelligence Towards Reading Comprehension. After analyzing some qualitative journal as the date of this result, the result found some results as follows. First, Mugiono found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the student academic achievement. It was proven by the result of the recollection coefficient was 0.62, which means there was a quite strong relation between student linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participant of this study was English Education Department student. It also found that linguistic intelligence gave strong effect on student English skill, including reading comprehension. It can be seen from the data that linguistic intelligence gave effect on academic achievement. Moreover, the filter also found on emotional intelligence showed a weak effect on the student achievement rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said that linguistic intelligence gives significant contributed towards student achievement in English, including reading comprehension. Actually, many students also indicated the same result of this study. Specifically in reading comprehension. In other words, the student linguistic intelligence more gave contribution towards student academic achievement than emotional intelligence. Second, Rahimi et al. Reported that linguistic intelligence became a strong predictor of student reading comprehension. Then the participant of the study was Minati Iranian student who took English major. Particularly speaking, it also noted that linguistic. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it is involved in reading activity. As it was discussed above, it is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involved to students. Linguistic intelligence so that they can improve their ability in using language. The student that was conducted by Dewi. It showed that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence on student reading comprehension. Basically, participant of the study was 283 Indonesian student Madrasah Pembangunan Jakarta from this study. In claimed that the student had good linguistic intelligence turned to had a good reading comprehension because English language variable of linguistic intelligence gave contribution in improving the student reading comprehension ability. It was related with the previous study that linguistic intelligence became an factor that can predict to the student learning and language because it's involved the student confidence process. In addition, it also found some indicator of student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student loved to read. Second, the second often spoke what what they what they can remember general knowledge quotes and word essentially. Next, they can explain and interpreting what they have read easily. Last, the student had good knowledge about the user based on those indicators. It can say that the student will have dominant linguistic intelligence, have tendency to have good reading comprehension in out her words by having a good linguistic intelligence. It can increase to student ability in reading. In conclusion, linguistic intelligence is the student ability in using the language with her in spoken or written forms. Then based of the result of this research, linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution to student reading comprehension. It was shown from the data that more than 45% student reading comprehension was influenced by their linguistic intelligence, and it also showed positive correlation between the student linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. Then the student with well-developed linguistic intelligence can achieve a good reading comprehension because the activity that involves the ability in using language in other words is crucial for the student to be aware about their linguistic intelligence because they have a student who have a good reading comprehension score. Moreover, it also found that there were some dominant characteristics of the student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First characteristic in the head knowledge about the next test they read. Next, the student enjoyed playing word games and word their own story and poem. Then the student can convey and retell the story or the next, and they can remember about the next that they read. However, often there were some students who did not have dominant linguistic intelligence, but they still had the motivation and interest in learning and language. Aulia and Nordi found that there was significant correlation between will students, linguistic intelligence, and reading comprehension, with the data showed that of the student reading comprehension was influenced by the student linguistic intelligence, with men linguistic intelligence have contributed toward reading comprehension. Then the participant of this study was 55 Indonesia student. It also mentioned that the student reading comprehension will be improved if their linguistic intelligence increased. As it was discussed above, the student reading comprehension can be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence because it can help them in using the language effectively. Thus, it is important for the student to develop their activities that related with language learning. For example, by reading a story and retell the story, also playing the word games. 6. Hasanuddin and Fitriani. She found that three were some indicator of linguistic intelligence of students in reading subject. First, the student had excellent knowledge in mentioning words to ask the can answer the question and argue the word correctly. Third, they can explain the meaning of the word that they have read and discussed it. Fourth, most students were having difficulties in mathematics lesson. They prefer English, social, and history lesson than mathematics to that so that they only answered the mathematics question randomly because it was difficult for them. They also prefer reading short stories. Fit in doing the conversation, they used some words related to something that they have read and heard before, such as the words that they had heard from the classmates and the words that they had read from articles. 6. The student had the ability in reading the party based on her personal experience. In line with the findings above, the indicator of linguistic intelligence can be shown through the student characteristics in learning process. Therefore, it can be inferred that the student will have good linguistic intelligence to have creative thinking because they can read poems and read in front of their classmates. Research on Elena et al. Was found that there was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence of the study. Besides, the participant of the study was 28 Indonesian. Undergraduate students also the British mentioned that the aim of the study was not for generalization, but the result of the study was shown by phenomena in learning a language. The results showed some aspect of the student linguistic intelligence. First aspect in linguistics, that is the ability in using the language of first degree to persuade others. However, these results were showed that only students who used the language effectively to persuade others. For instance, some students had lack of linguistic force in persuading others and delivering their ideas in spoken and written form. Second aspect is mnemonic, that is the ability in memorizing the information. It was found only students who remember until the information or the story of the next that they have read. The aspect is explanation, that is the ability in delivering the information orally and immediately. It was found that these students still face difficulties in using descriptive and figurative language in order to deliver their ideas. Also, only one student who used in well-win self-read for aspect is metalinguistic, that is the ability in learning the language itself, so that in reading class the student will actively participate in asking the question about the word that they did not familiar. From the result, it can be seen that in reading activity the student still had the curiosity and learning and language even though they still face difficulties in delivering their thoughts in spoken and written form. Thus, Reza Tarmizi found that linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the student reading comprehension among the multiple intelligence types. It also found that the students with linguistic intelligence were able to use the language effectively that they were typical good at reading. Playing word games, memories words, storing and making poetry. In line with the reading, Hashemi also attested that linguistic intelligence made the strongest contribution in predicting the student reading. In fact, the students still are not aware about their linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For instance, by resting a learning strategy that related with playing word games and storytelling that involves the student ability in using a language. It is also supported by Gardner in Arnold and Fonseca, who stated that it is important to know and develop the individual's different types of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all of the individuals are different that they have those combinations of intelligence. Therefore, based on the result of research, it found that students' linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the students should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helps them to improve their ability in reading. Baiklah, sekianlah hasil jurnal saya. Saya mohon maaf jika ada kata-kata yang salah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.